So taking your back plate, the one with the recessed section for the brake reservoir cylinder, slide it in from behind and it clips nicely in position. Okay, it's not moving anywhere because of the triangle nature of the tubes. Take your front piece, lay it on top, then with your pre-assembled LegPegz unit, which is the stainless steel bolt, washer, the rubber puck and angled piece. Okay, generally that will go in the second forward hole on the top. Okay, then take your angled washer, put it on the back along with stainless steel washer, along with the nylock nut. Just get that started. Okay. Then with your pre-assembled shorter bolt, have it go in behind the puck. Then your plastic angled washer, stainless steel washer, stainless steel nylock, and get those started with your fingers. Then with a 13mm spanner or shifter and a 13mm socket, do them up. Just loose to start. Okay, and we're only going gently tight. We're not squashing this down. Okay, and that's it. Repeat on the other side. So here we have a TPU flexible rubber puck. This is rock solid. And that's it. Done.